Hello,
Hi. Hi.
how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good as well, and nice to see you again.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
How was your day?
Yeah, it is quite good. Not bad. Like as usual.
Yeah. Okay.
And how is your day?
Yeah, good. Like just as usual, nothing special. So,
Yeah.
have school been opened in Assam?
No, no. No, no,
Not
no.
yet.
The in Assam, the
Mm-hmm.
school has not been opened yet.
Okay. So still you are taking online classes,
Yeah. I'm still taking online classes.
and you teach SST? Am I
Yeah,
right?
I teach SST. Yeah. Nowadays I'm teaching SST, but I think
Okay.
when I joined my school,
Mm-hmm.
that time, like before 3 or 4 years ago,
Okay.
I taught as English in primary level.
Okay.
But now
Okay.
I'm teaching social science only in my school, and I
Okay.
also take tuition classes.
Okay, that's great. Which
Yeah,
among history, geography, and political science do you find more
yeah,
interesting?
yeah. I love SST, so I love
Mm.
all the parts or all the subtopic like
Okay.
polity, history, and if I can choose or if I want to choose,
Mhm.
then
One of
I will
them.
go with polity. Yeah, polity.
Political.
Polity is my favorite. Yeah.
Okay. That's great.
We can
And
know we can we can aware about our like present scenario
you are right.
about government, about political parties, so
Mhm.
we can relate.
Okay. And what about English? How long have you been learning spoken English?
Yeah, so I have been learning spoken English for the last 6 months, but not
Okay.
consistent. I'm not
Okay.
consistent because of
Mhm.
because of some work and
Mhm.
also because of my health issues.
Okay. Now are you fine?
Yeah, I am fine now.
Okay. That is good. So how
I
many
think in
language?
your
Yeah.
yeah,
Say.
I was asking that in your place, so the school and colleges are open now.
For all the classes, only like for senior
Mm.
classes, 9 to
Yes.
12 classes, and colleges
Mm.
also have been opened.
Yeah,
Not for junior classes.
the junior
Okay.
classes,
Mm-hmm.
senior level, like high school
Yeah,
level or
high
high
school.
secondary level.
Yeah. And how many languages do you know?
Yeah. So I know 4 languages like
Okay,
Hindi.
that
I can speak Hindi well and I can
okay.
write also. So Hindi. My mother
Okay.
tongue is Assamese. The one number two is Assamese. And
Mm-hmm.
Bengali and English. I 4 languages I know.
Okay, that is very
Yeah, these are the
great. That is
these
great.
are the 4 languages. Yeah, that
You
I
know,
know.
you know Bengali also.
Yeah, I know Bengali.
Have you ever been to Bengal?
No. I have never been to Bengal, but
Okay.
yeah, I want to go Bengal. But in Assam, there are so many Bengalis live in Assam.
Okay. So do you speak
Yes.
in Bengali with them?
Uh, Not always, because I don't have friends like from
Okay.
Bengali background. That's why I don't speak Bengali.
Okay.
But I know how to speak Bengali and I can write also. And I learn Bengali by
Mhm.
watching movies and listening songs.
Same like English.
Yeah,
Like,
not yeah.
mhm.
But yeah, for learning English, yeah, I have been doing like I have been doing hard work for the last
Okay.
6 months, not only watching movies on listening song.
Still, you are
Expect this,
improving.
I have to do.
That's
Yeah,
why you are
I have.
improving. That's why you are improving. You are speaking very
Yeah,
well. And
but
yeah,
yeah,
yeah. So you
I
know,
have to do.
reading
Yeah,
is
lot of hard
reading,
work.
reading is important in order to learn spoken English. Not only reading, like
Mm.
all four skills, like reading, listening, writing, speaking.
Yeah.
By reading we learn so many new things, and we learn
Mm-mm.
how to make sentences. But there are some
Yes.
people out there, they think
Mm-mm.
that they say that reading is boring, they find it boring. So what do you say about
Yeah.
it? Do you find
Yeah.
it
Maybe.
interesting or boring?
Yeah, maybe some of the people like thinks that reading is boring, but
Mhm.
in
Yeah,
my opinion reading is not boring. Like
yeah,
whatever you want to love reading, you can read, like maybe poetry,
yes.
poems, yeah, novel. So what do you
i
want to
al-
like, so
I
you
also
can
like
read.
reading.
Yeah. And when I was in school, na, our teacher always like told us to read the
Okay.
chapters. So yeah, so I think it is very helpful that if we can say like if I don't understand like any paragraph or sentences after reading one time, if I read the particular sentence or the particular paragraph like consistently like 3
Again
times
and
or 4 times, na,
again.
then I'll be able to understand something. So I think it is very helpful as well. And we
Yeah.
can know how to like make the structure of the sentence and
Yeah.
grammar rule also. And we
Yeah,
can
you are right.
also we can also improve our pronunciation skill by reading. So I
You
think
are
it is
right.
very, very important.
Same for listening.
And I also
You know, while listening, if we don't understand first time, if we, listen same video, same thing again and again, so we, after that, we understand all these things. We understand
yeah,
whatever about listening. We understand all these things.
yeah. But
Mm-hmm.
what you know, I think listening is also very important.
Very,
Then we
very
can
important.
understand like
Yeah.
like what are the other
Mm-hmm.
people want to say. If we
Mm-hmm. Yeah, by listening, it is
yeah
said that in order to be good speaker, first we need to be good
Mm-mm.
listener. So
yeah
listening is also very important. That's why I said,
yeah
no? That's why I
yeah.
said
So
all four skills are
yeah.
important.
all the
Mm.
four like learning skill
Listening,
are important, like
mm,
listening, reading,
reading,
speaking or
writing,
writing.
speaking.
Yeah,
Yeah, speaking is most important. No matter
yeah,
how many
yeah.
books you read every day and how many videos you
Mm-mm.
watch every day, until or
Yeah,
unless you try to speak, no, you are not going to improve your spoken English.
yeah.
So,
Like reading and writing both are the
mhm.
like active skill, but
Yeah, yeah.
listening and I think four skill na, writing,
Mhm,
reading,
mhm,
listening or speaking. I think
mhm.
listening and reading, I think maybe both are the like passive skill, but yeah, writing and speaking are the active skill that
Yeah,
we can produce something new. We can be
yeah.
creative.
Yes, you
If
are
we
right.
write something, yeah, or speak something, we have to create our own sentences.
Yes, yes. So since you are working very hard in order to improve your
Mm.
spoken English, so did you find any
Mm-mm.
improvement in your spoken English?
Yeah, I so I want to say that I want to work hard, but because of my like working schedule or because of my health issues in the past
Mm-hmm.
time,
Mm-hmm.
I didn't concentrate, like I didn't like consistent. So
Mm-hmm.
I think if I had practiced well, like if I had practiced every day, so
Mm-hmm.
now I would able to speak fluently. But
Yeah,
yeah,
you are right.
that
So
is why I
consistency is
haven't
important. Hmm.
yeah. So I haven't improved so much, but yeah,
Mm.
I have improved a little bit.
Yeah, no, you are speaking very well. But I don't know
Thank
initially
you,
days
thank you.
how you were
Yeah.
speaking. So right now you are
Mm-mm-mm.
speaking very well. Yes.
Thank you, thank you.
So what is your fondest memory you can remember?
Yeah, fondest memory. Yeah,
Mhm.
I think now most of the people have their fondest memory maybe in
Yeah.
their school, from their
Mm-hmm.
school, na?
Yeah.
Yes, from their school days. But when I was a kid and when I was in school, so I was
Mm-hmm.
very sad. So that is why I didn't have so many friends.
Mm-hmm.
I hardly talk to my like classmates. So
Okay.
I didn't have fondest memory from my school. But
Okay.
yeah, I when I joined my, so you already know that I am
Mm-hmm.
working in a school as
Yes.
an
Yes.
assistant teacher. When I joined that school, so
Mm-hmm.
after my joining, like after 3 4 days,
Mm-hmm.
so in our school, like foundation day was celebrated. So
Okay.
on the particular day,
Mm-hmm.
I gave a speech in
Mm-hmm.
front of so many people for the very
Okay.
first time. Yeah,
Okay.
so that
Okay.
was my fondest memory. That is my
Yeah, that is
fondest
great.
memory for me.
Okay. So
Because
that,
this was first
yeah,
time, na?
yeah, you
That is
delivered
why.
speech. Uh-huh. So
Yeah, delivers
was
this.
that speech in English or in Hindi or in what language? In which
No,
language?
the speech was in my mother tongue, Assamese.
Okay. So in school you speak
Assamese.
Assamese like all the students and
Yeah.
speak.
Assamese also like bilingual. Yeah,
Okay.
English, Assamese both
It is your
bilingual.
official language in your state.
Yeah, in Assam.
Okay. Okay.
I think it is official language is only paper. But if you if we go to if we are going for interview for any job, so English is very important. Like you have to be fluent in
Everywhere,
English. You have to be
everywhere.
fluent in English. But only Assamese is the official language in paper, not in practical life. In practical life, I think English is the like official language
Yeah,
of
not
Assam.
only in
In any
Assam, everywhere.
workplace.
English is important wherever if you go, to face interview. So English is very important.
Yeah, very, very important.
Mm-hmm.
I think they are nowadays, if you are like looking at the sales jobs, so they only one skill required is like fluent
Yeah,
English speaker.
yeah, you are right.
Then only
before I started working, I never realized that English is that much important. But after joining my
yeah.
school, after I started working, I realized that English is very, very important. The people who speak English, they get preference. Yes, I know.
Yeah, I also.
No matter how much
That's
knowledge you have, if you speak English, then you are considered
yeah.
as a like very intelligent person.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I also want to like include something in our like in India nowadays. English is not a language, it has
Yes.
become an status symbol.
Yeah, English has been given undue importance. It should
Yeah.
not happen, I think. But it is.
If you can speak English, yeah, like according to some people, if you know
Mhm.
English, that you know everything. If
Yeah,
you
yeah,
don't know
you are
English,
very
you don't know
knowledgeable
anything.
person.
Yeah, like yeah, you are knowledgeable, like you are very smart.
Yeah,
That
you are
type.
right.
Yeah.
Yes.
So English is very, very important.
That's why people are learning
Yeah,
English.
nowadays, yeah, learning English.
So,
But yeah, I wanted to say something. You are looking very beautiful.
oh, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, dear. Okay. So, what kind of activities are you doing in order to learn spoken English?
Yeah, so I like whenever I get time, so I try to speak one or two girls in a day. One of my friends, so one or two of my friends in a day, I try to speak like for half an hour or maybe 20 minutes. Yeah, so I try to speak. And for my writing skill, I started reading newspaper already.
Okay.
So I read newspaper also, and I'm listening English songs. And if I get time, I also watch English shows like web series, so to understand the native speaker. And I also watching news channels.
Okay. You are really working hard in order to improve your spoken English.
Yeah, but I told you, I am not consistent because of
Okay.
some
Yeah,
personal
because of
problem.
time
But
also,
yeah,
because you are
yeah,
teaching in school also, and you are taking like
yeah,
tuition classes as well.
yeah,
So yeah,
yeah.
it is.
But yeah, I have to work hard for now.
Yeah. But you are speaking very
I
well.
think
Yeah.
yeah, writing is skill for as a teacher na, writing skill is very important.
Yes.
We have to improve our writing also.
So you write? Do you write every day
Like
something?
what kind of writing?
Anything like any
Not
stories,
every day, but yeah,
any stories?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, not story. Like I take a like topic, and I want to write a paragraph about it. So whenever I get time, I write. And if I like find like advanced vocabulary, so I try to make sentences like using one word. I try to make 5 or 4 sentences.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is great.
And whenever I watch any YouTube video, so I try to comment in English only. So I always comment in English.